ELI5 Why faster than light travels create time paradox? I mean, if something traveled faster than light to a point, doesn't it just mean that we just can see it at multiple places, but the real item is still just at one place? Why is it a paradox? Only sight is affected? I don't know. Like if we teleported somewhere, it's faster than light, so an observer that is very far can see us maybe at two places? But the object teleported is still really at one place. Like every object? U/Darnatal1 had a good answer for this over a year ago. To quote, "So, the speed of light is not actually the speed limit of the universe. The speed limit of the universe is actually the speed of causality. Causality is the relationship between an event and the things that happen as a result of that event. Obviously, if you throw a baseball at a window, the window is not going to break until after you throw the ball. That's causality. It's the order of events in the universe. Well, it turns out that the first thing we ever discovered that moves at this speed was light. At the time, it was the only thing we knew that moved at that speed, so we thought that that speed was the speed limit. It turns out that light is following the same speed limit as everything else, but it has a special property, it has no mass, that allows it to actually move at the actual speed of causality. For reasons we don't understand, causality has a speed limit. If something happens, the effects of that thing happening propagate out at the speed of light, causality. For example, if the sun disappeared in a magic trick, the Earth would continue to orbit the position where the sun was for 8¼ minutes, because the orbit of the Earth would not be affected until causality reached us. In summary, the effects of an event can never occur before the event that triggered the effects, and the fastest those effects can occur is the speed of light. Due to all of this, if something moves faster than light, it would be moving faster than cause and effect. The baseball could shatter the window before you threw the ball. And that could startle you, preventing you from ever throwing the ball in the first place. And then causality itself is broken. Time itself no longer has meaning. The burned popcorn stink fills the room before you even buy the microwave. The universe doesn't make any sense. With this information, now I can summarize. Time is how we measure causality. If you go faster than light, you're going faster than causality, and that means you're going faster than time. And that doesn't just send time in the wrong direction, it outright breaks it. Edit. There's a great video by PBS Spacetime on this subject that's a little nerdier but also has a lot more information. If you got my explanation, you'll get this, and you'll learn even more.